I am Alewi Tosin. How has your day been? Hope you have a very nice day. Now we are to continue from where we stopped in our last video, statistic part 4b. We want to take this example. So let's have your 100% concentration. But as far as WAEC is concerned, these are the kind of questions you need to be familiar with for you to be sure you are good enough to go for any international examination. Now let's look at this question. Consider this table now. We are having this as our x and we are having this as our f. In our last class, when we were taking mean, we said mean is denoted by this and is given as summation fx over summation f. So from this table now, this is our x, this is our f. So what we need to do is to have a table. Let's have a table where we have our f, our x, and also have our fx. Okay, so from this now, this is our x, you have our x here, you have our f here, and we have fx. So we say that our x is 1 when our f is p plus 2, x is 2 when f is p minus 2, x is 3 when this is what? P 2p, minus 3. So we have 4 when it is what? P, f is frequency is p plus 4. So we have 5 when the frequency is what? 3p minus 4. So let's confirm that. P plus 2. Okay, p plus 2, p minus 1. This is p minus 1. 2p minus 3, p plus 4, 3p minus 4. Okay, you are good to go. Now, after doing this, our fx, it means we multiply f and x together, which means we are having 1 times p plus 2, 2 times p minus 1, 3 times 2p minus what? Minus 3. Okay, so you're having 4 multiplied by p plus 4, and we are having 5 multiplied by 3p minus 4. So let's see. 1 times p plus 2 give us p plus 2. This gives 2 times p, 2p. 2 times minus 1 minus 2. 2 times 2p, 3 times 2p. We are having this as what? 6p minus 9. So 4 times p becomes what? 4p times 4, that's plus 16. Okay, while this becomes 15p minus 20. Okay, so while this is done, we need to find the summation of f according to the formula and the summation of what? summation of f, and also we need to find the summation of fx. So to do that now, let's add this together. Now let's go. Summation f. Let's add this together. Plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Minus 4, okay, we are saying minus 4 plus 4 should be 0. Then we have it minus, plus minus 4 now becomes minus 4. And for this, p plus p, that's 2p, plus 2p, 4p, plus p, 5p, plus 3p, that's 8p. So we go the same way for these two. I think there is an error here. Plus 2 minus, there's an error here. Plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 gives plus 2. Plus 2 minus 4, this should be minus 2, okay? Minus 2. So let's take note of that. Should be minus 2. So the same way we go for this again. We go for this. Summation fx. So what do we have for summation fx? So let's go. Plus 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 9 plus 16, that's plus 7. Plus 7 minus 20, that gives us plus what? That's minus 13. Minus 13. Okay. Minus 13. And for this now, we say we have p plus 2p. That is what? 3p. 3p plus 6p. That's 9p. 13p. That's 28p. This is 28p. Okay. So now, back to the formula we are applying, where we said mean equals what? Summation fx over summation f. Summation f. Now recall that from the question we were told that the mean is 43 over 14, where mean is 43 over what? 14, okay? The mean is 43 over 14. So from this now, we say that what? 43 over 14 is equal to summation fx is what? 28p minus 13. While summation f is 8p minus 2. So with this now, if you cross multiply now, we have this as 14. Okay, this 14, 43 bracket 8p minus 2. This will be equal to 14 bracket 28p minus 13. Minus 13. So if you open this bracket now, 43 times 8p will give us 344p. And 43 times minus 2 will give us minus 86. While 14 times 28p should give us 392p. And 14 times minus 13 will give us minus 182. Now, let's use this side. Collecting like terms now. When we collect like terms here, we say that we have 344p minus 392p, that's this crossing the equal to sign, will be equal to what? Minus 182 plus 86. Minus 182 plus what? Plus 86. So when we subtract this now, what do you have? We have this will be 30, okay, 48p equals what? This will be what? This minus 48p equals minus what? 96. So divide through by minus 48, divide through by minus 48. So this cancels this. So we say p equals to this cancels this. 96 divided by 48 will give us what? That will be 2. So from this question now, we are told to find p. Our p is what? Is 2. So it's as simple as that. Take your time, practice. That's the best way to learn mathematics. Practice, and I can assure you that if you follow us continuously at Home Class TV, your success is what? Guaranteed. I am myself Adewe Tosin. Let's meet again in our next class. Thank you. Continue to study and learn. Please, you can also take this as your own play. I'll prepare this for you to practice with. Take it as your own play. If there's any problem you have with it, please make it known to us in our comment zone. Continue to practice. That's the best way to improve. Thank you.
To watch more, subscribe.